residence in Marriott.
In downtown Toronto.
These are Otis.
I think it's gonna be this one. This one's coming down.
Oh, I'm gonna get this one, yep.
We got Otis.
I was saying either Series 4.
We'll see what they are on the inside. Series 4.
Oh, nice.
What floor?
What floor?
Here we go.
How are you? How's your stay? Good. Excellent. Thank you so much.
Eleventh floor.
It's got that Otis voice.
No, going up some voice.
Yeah, it says the floor, but it doesn't say the direction.
No 13.
I made a mistake.
Oh, no worries.
It's okay.
Yeah, we're just filming the elevator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
20th floor.
This is 20.
Take a couple of those ones.
Yeah.
21st floor.
Alright, you have a wonderful day, sir. This is nice.
Yeah.
I was expecting Dewhurst in here.
22nd floor.
Alright, go down. Oh, going down?
Yeah.
Yep. What floor? Ground?
2.
2. Okay, that's where we're gonna go too, actually.
These are Gen 2.
Yeah.
Very loud.
Yep.
Right, you have a good day, ma'am.
Oh, you going down? Okay, we'll just go down to the ground and then hopefully go back up.
Ground floor.
It says ground floor, but it didn't say 2.
Yeah, it doesn't say the direction.
I'm gonna get a cab view since no one else is in the cab but us. There's Daniel.
Oh. Oof. Going up?
I'm so sorry.
Oh, no worries.
Two feather.
2 feather, please.
6.
6 here.
Fourth floor, nothing? Fourth floor?
Yeah, 3 for 3.
No fourth floor, no pillows?
I don't know.
Yes.
3rd
Oh,
floor.
yeah, maybe. Yeah, okay.
Fourth floor.
I'm just gonna be stopping on 6 then. Oh,
We'll get off on the top. I want to get
yeah.
a view of a hallway and a
So
view
do I.
from the hotel if there are any.
6th floor.
What do you think of these?
These are actually really nice. For Gen 2s though, I would have expected these to be a lot smoother.
These are also older Gen 2s because they have Series 4.
Right.
This is probably like a mid 2000s or late 2000s install.
And I think there's some.
22nd floor.
Yep, there's some possible.
Alright, let's send this down. Otis? I'm gonna listen to it as it goes down.
Let's get a view of the hall first. I'm going to take the
This is a
best
pretty nice
flower
hotel.
Oh. Actually, yeah, this is really nice. I love the doors.
I've stayed at several residences. They're pretty good hotels.
Yeah, there's no number for that.
Guessing that's a service area.
See, this is a single slide door, but the others are two-speed, and we're gonna
According to the map, that one doubles as the service elevator.
Oh.
And you can hear the Gen 2 motors up here. G?
Yep.
Oh, concave door close button.
Yeah. You're gonna get a cab view. Otis fixtures, Series 4. Got hand sanitizer in here.
Here we are on G.
Alright.
And we'll get off here.
So a couple quick ones.
There it goes.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's
That will
it.
be it.
See you guys.